So I got a new iPad and I wanted to protect it before my clumsy self dropped it. I purchased an OtterBox. If you ask around, these things are the best. First, before you waste your time, make sure your series is the same. On the lower corner of the box, it says fits 7th and 8th generation iPads. You can also find your series on the iPad. Now that you have confirmed you have the right case, take it out of the box and take the main cover off by pulling the clips in each corner. Now, with a thin object like a dime, credit card, or small screwdriver, break the seal where the rubber sets in the groove before the plastic. Once you have that started, you can peel the rest of the rubber out of the groove all the way around the rest of the case. Now you need to separate the plastic from the back. There are 4 clips around the case that hold this in place. Using your small wedge, release each clip until the plastic cover comes free. Now would be a good time to take a lint-free cloth and clean the face of your iPad. You don't want to put this thing together only to have a smear that will annoy you forever. Take your iPad and place it in the hard rim plastic backing. This is the smaller of the two. Ensure your camera aligns to the camera hole in the backing. If not, flip it around. Next, lay your iPad flat and take the clear see-through protective plastic and lay it over your iPad. Then press in firmly. You will hear it snap into the 4 side clips. Press over each clip to ensure they snap into place. If you have smudges on your iPad or the clear protective cover, clean them before you do this step. With that complete, take your soft rubber backing and lay your iPad on top of it. Press in firmly. Make sure the rubber is all the way over the lip of the iPad. Then, beginning at the top of your iPad, reseal the edge of the rubber backing into the clear plastic cover's groove. Do this all the way around your iPad, ensuring it snaps into the groove all the way around the perimeter. On the back of the cover of your Otter case is a pop-up shelf for stand-up viewing. When not in use or packing for travel, make sure the shelf is lowered, then place the hard shell over the iPad and snap into place, and you're ready to go. So, if this video helped you put this confusing case together, click that thumbs up button for me. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.